the funniest animal fails that will make you smile. Ever seen a cat miss the couch by a mile? Or a dog hilariously confused by its own tail? These laugh-out-loud animal moments are here to brighten your day. From squirrels slipping off bird feeders to puppies making epic fails on slick floors, get ready for a dose of cuteness mixed with comedy. Animals simply being their unpredictable selves are nothing short of hilarious. These fails may be accidental, but the smiles they create are guaranteed. Watch as these furry friends turn their clumsy moments into pure joy. If you love a good laugh, hit that like button, subscribe, and share the laughter with your friends now.